Hey Josiah, it's me, Melly Mel, wishing you a happy birthday. I know that I couldn't be there to celebrate your special day, but I am there in spirit. Hope you have an amazing time with your friends and family. I love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Josiah, happy birthday. Sorry I couldn't make it.
Happy birthday, Josiah. It's your Uncle Cyrus. I love you. I miss you. I can't wait to see you on your birthday. You're about to be 10. Just always know you got an uncle here that love you. And you can always call me. I wish you would call me more. And you got a dad that love you, and he wish he could be here with you. And we always gonna be here for you. You finna be a big man. You about to be 10. Always help your mom out, and always watch over your little brother. And whatever you need, just call me. I love you. Happy birthday.
Josiah, what's up?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you, miss you. Wish we could be there. Actually got a basketball game today, so wish you the best birthday ever. Love you. Hope you have a great day.
Love you.
Josiah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Love you. Miss you so much. Want to wish you a great birthday. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you have a great new year. Great start to school. We love you. Mucho.
Mucho.
Hi, Josiah. Happy birthday. I hope you have the most wonderful birthday ever. I miss you. I'm sorry that I cannot be there. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, baby. It's the Big 10. I just want to say that Titi loves you so much. You will forever be my first baby. I am so proud of the little man that you're becoming. You are so smart, so respectful, so kind, just a sweet, funny young boy, and I couldn't be prouder of you. I love you. I can't stress that enough. I love you so much with all of my heart, and I hope that you have an awesome 10th birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Josiah. I can't believe you're 10 years old. TT Nay loves you so much. I hope all your wishes come true.
I love you. You have the best day.
Hey Josiah, happy birthday. Excuse my cheeks, I just had my wisdom teeth taken out the other day, so they're real swollen right now, and I look like that character from Minecraft. But anyway, I love you so much. Happy birthday. I hope you have the best day and the best year.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.